The lobster industry is worth more than $5 billion in 2020. 2020 was a really bad year, so this has definitely improved in the recent years. So I found these really cool products that relate to lobsters, and since lobsters have a high consumer ratio at this time in point, and we have many people who are consuming lobster products, I thought that it would really be a nice idea to start a business that sells lobster shoes or lobster slippers. This is something that can go viral on TikTok because it's a strange product that can catch the eye of a lot of TikTok users. So I went on AliExpress and started looking for a product that can actually captivate my eye here, and also I was looking for a product that is very cheap, so I went for this product that is $4.90. So this is a product that I am going to settle on because we have good images on this product listing here, as well as you can see the product price is really favorable, and it falls within the price range we need for a dropshipping store. So this is the exact process of how I'm going to start a lobster shoe dropshipping business. So I'm going to start my dropshipping store on catalyst.com, which is my e-commerce platform. So Catalyst allows you to start an e-commerce business or a dropshipping business for absolutely free. So you get a free 7-day trial whereby you can test out different products from AliExpress, and once you find a winning product, then you can actually pick out a plan. So Catalyst gives you a good dashboard whereby you can be able to track your sales, you can be able to manage your business using one dashboard. So it's easy to customize, it's easy to create a product for you to start an online business. So you can switch to catalyst.com from any e-commerce platform that you're currently using. You can also hire a Catalyst expert to help you move your business online. So it's where the most successful brands start their business. So you go to catalyst.com, click on get started now, then you're going to register a free trial plan. Then you get a dashboard whereby it's going to tell you the number of sales you're getting, the number of orders that you have pending, and the number of orders that you need to actually fulfill. So it's going to give you a good dashboard that gives you the site analytics. It tells you where most of your customers are coming from so that you can be able to manage your ads. So I'm going to click on products, and I'm going to add a new product here so that I can be able to start selling this product on my dropshipping store, which I've created on catalyst.com. So you click on products, then you're going to add a new product here, which we are going to name the lobster shoes. So we're going to go with lobster shoes because I see shoes has a wide search volume compared to slippers. So we're going to go with shoes, but slippers as well can work. So I'm going to add the price here, that is $44.99, but I'm going to give a discount of $10 so that the price is going to appear on the website as discounted with $10. Now this is going to convince the customer to actually make the purchase. Then I'm going to add a time frame on when the discount runs. So the product is going to appear in the website as $34.99. Then I'm going to save. Then I'm going to go to this tool here by my Dukan, whereby you can be able to generate a highly converting product description. That is a very short description. So you just put in the word or the keyword you want, then it's going to generate the description for you. Then you come and paste that description into your Catalyst dashboard here, whereby you're adding your product. Then you can save that as well. So it's automatically going to give you the slug. Then you can be able to edit that and remove what you do not actually need. So far we have the short description we need, and it's a really highly converting description here that is going to tell the customer what the product entails once they do come to your website. So for the full description or the larger description, you just go to AliExpress in the listing whereby you'll be dropshipping the product. You copy the product description that is given by the vendor. So the AliExpress vendors, they normally give good highly converting product descriptions which also come with images. So remember, the product images are the ones that are going to make your product actually sell. So you go to AliExpress, copy that, then you're going to paste it into your product content on catalyst.com. So you can do this as well on other platforms that you're trying to build your dropshipping store. Then you're going to add this into the trending products, then you're going to publish it so that it can appear in the website. So that's very simple. So the next step we need to add is the product images. Now these are the images that the client or the customer will be able to see once they do come to your dropshipping store, and they'll be able to scroll through these images for them to see what the product looks like and what they're actually going to get. So I'm going to use this extension here to download the product video, which I can use to advertise on TikTok or to run or to post the video on TikTok, and hopefully it can go viral. Then I'm going to download the images. So the images you can download with that Chrome extension, then they are going to be saved into your downloads folder on your computer. Then you can move them into the dropshipping store that you're building. So you can just drag them and drop them into your product images. So there you go, you have the product images you need. So for me, the lobster, I see it's I want to go with the red color here so that it looks realistic. So I'm going to delete the green images and just leave out the red images. They are going to work out good for me. So the next thing is to add the SEO so that your store can be able to appear on Google on the search engine. So you just copy the meta description from my Dukan tool there, then you just edit it out what you do not need or what you do not want to appear in the search engines. Then you're going to add a meta keyword that you want to rank for on Google. Then you're going to input that into the meta keyword, then you're going to save that. So that's it. You've created a product, you've created your dropshipping store. So you just need to click on your website and you'll be able to check out the store that you've built out and the product page that the customers will be able to come and make the purchase. So as you can see, you have a clean looking store that is highly converting. It has all the essentials of a dropshipping store. You have the images, you have the title, you have the short description here, then you have the images that the customer can be able to scroll from one image to another. Then they're going to actually make the purchase. Then you have the discounted price. So what this highlights is initially the product is selling for $44, but now it's selling for $34.99. So the customer is going to see that they're getting a discount. Then the customer can be able to add multiple products. They can add the product to cart, and also they can favorite that product so that they can come back to the store later on and actually make the purchase. So remember, this is easily made by catalyst.com, which is the easiest way to start a dropshipping store. Then the customer can be able to share the product as well, because if it's a viral product, they can be able to share this and they can be able to leave a review as well, which is going to help you out in the long run. Then you have the longer product description that has the images, that has the description on how to use this product. That is the lobster shoe here that we are selling. So it also gives a highlight of how the customer can be able to select the correct size for him or her. So it's really a well documented website here, and it's really a well highlighted product page, highly converting. It gives the client or the customer everything he or she needs so that they can actually make the purchase. Remember, product descriptions are the ones that convince a customer to actually go ahead and make a purchase. So you need to have these quality images. So remember, for a starter, when you're starting dropshipping, you do not need a lot of investment in terms of product images. You can go with what is provided on AliExpress. So you see, you can add that to cart, you can view to cart. So this highlights that your store is fully functional and the customer can be able to make an actual purchase, and you can start selling immediately. So we have the billing details here. Then you can select the payment gateway. So I'm going with PayPal right now, but I can add Skrill as well as Flutterwave, depends on the country that you are currently residing in. So you can add anything that is needed here as well. So once you start getting the orders, the dashboard on Catalyst is going to show you the orders there. Then you can start processing the orders and actually fulfilling the orders by going to AliExpress, placing the order with the vendor that you choose, and the vendor is going to ship out the product to the customer who made the purchase on your dropshipping store. So that's very easy on how to create a dropshipping store from scratch, and you can create an actual business by using this dropshipping model. So we are getting the product for $4.90 and you're selling the product for $34. So we have a profit margin of around $30. So check out catalyst.com, link in the description, and start your dropshipping store.